What if DJI decided to take its sleeper hit sensation and propel it into the future? Say hello to the DJI Neo 2, the drone equivalent of a tech glow-up. After a flurry of mysterious leaks, early prototype flights, and FCC filing breadcrumbs, DJI has officially ushered in its next small kit marvel. Whether you're a seasoned aerial filmmaker or an ambitious newbie chasing cinematic skies, the Neo 2 is about to be your game-changer. Power and battery, amplified endurance meets sleek portability. First things first, battery life got a serious upgrade. The Neo 2 houses an 11.6 Wh dual-cell power pack, a notable boost over the original Neo's 10.4 Wh battery. In real-world terms? Longer hover sessions, more epic golden hour captures, and fewer mid-flight SOS landings. While DJI hasn't confirmed the maximum flight time yet, the upgraded capacity suggests we might crack 20+ minutes in still air conditions. That's enough runway to nail that sweeping mountain panorama or slow-mo park chase shot, without cutting it close. Vision and collision avoidance, smarter intelligence, tighter safety. DJI appears to have upgraded the vision positioning sensor suite, tightening obstacle avoidance coverage and accuracy. Think of it as the Neo going from cute selfie drone to aware and agile micro commander. Those tricky flyaways near trees or power lines just got a lot less scary. Imaging and low light clarity, crisp shots, nocturnal brilliance. While DJI hasn't publicly listed the full camera spec, rumors hint at a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor with dual ISO technology, designed for sharper sunrise frames, clean nocturnal panoramas, and less noise when filming city lights after dark. Expect support for 4K 60 frames per second, 10-bit D-Log, and perhaps even AI-powered smart track mode that stays locked on target instead of drifting off-screen when the drone turns corners. Pocket-sized Pro features. Vlogger's stealth machine. The Neo 2 is shaping up to be a tiny content creator's dream, a palm-sized powerhouse you can slip into a backpack but still flex with pro-level output. DJI seems to be bridging the gap between ultra-portable and studio-ready. Price and value, affordable tech flex pricing. Rumors are sweet. The Neo launched at a budget-friendly $289, and whispers suggest DJI will keep the Neo 2 under $350. That means advanced features, like upgraded sensors and AI, without the flagship price tag. It's the kind of value that makes drone gear feel like a strategic investment, not a wallet drainer. Availability and bundles. Mark your calendar. DJI has confirmed pre-orders open mid-August 2025, with shipment starts slated early September. Perfect timing to capture fall foliage, moody landscapes, or epic travel footage. Expect 2 purchasing options: standard kit, fly more combo bundle. Bonus rumor, possible mini FPV headset. Here's where it gets spicy. There's chatter about DJI launching the Neo 2 alongside a mini FPV headset, specifically tuned for it. Imagine seamless first-person viewing, no bulky goggles, just sleek immersion. If true, DJI might be redefining drone kits for casual yet cinematic users. Why it matters: creative liberation, affordable innovation. The Neo 2 is more than an upgrade, it's DJI proving you don't need to break the bank to access next-level aerial storytelling. It turns casual flyers into confident creators and compels pros to consider it as their go-to compact backup. Whether you're filming travel stories, tailing your pet's park adventures in slow-mo, or simply exploring flight from your backyard, the Neo 2 looks like the move every creator's been waiting for. Lightweight, intelligent, exciting. This might just become 2025 sleeper drone hit.so. What's your take? Will the Neo 2 be your next drone? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're hyped about this reveal, do your thing, like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you don't miss our deep dive review flight.